I'm the CTO of Uman, and I'd like to come and have a look at our booth here on ProLight and Sound 2009 to see what exciting new stuff we have to offer this year. Just come, follow me. What you see here is the first real media network. Media network means we have audio, it means we have HD video, and it means we have full command and control. All the three things together form the network. Let's start with something. You see the 5 monitors above the rack. 2 of them show a browser application that I want to explain more in detail a little bit later. The other shows some HD video content that we are putting on the network. On the right side, on the top, you see the original Blu-ray output of our Blu-ray player here. And in the middle, on the big picture, you see the signal after it passed our network. As you can see, it has an extremely low latency and an extremely high quality. We believe that having audio, video and command and control together in an extreme high quality does not only serve the professional market and the high-end people, but also the semi-professional and the MI market, because we think that if it's affordable enough, everybody would like to join, to be part of the Uman network. So come with me a bit closer. After having seen our great video screens, I want to show you a bit of what we do with audio. You see in these racks, there's a lot of bits and pieces that already talk Uman native. These bits and pieces are connected through Cat5 cables together to several subnets, and they can communicate with each other very easily. To give you a little more information about that, I'd like to introduce you over to see our editor. So here you can see the different subnets in our network. By clicking on one of the devices, you enter one of the subnets. Within the subnet, you can see a matrix, and this matrix is always the same, regardless if it's an audio device, a video device, or a data device. And this matrix helps you to connect 2 devices together and to choose which of the IOs of the devices should go to the network and which network channels are received by the other device and being played out to the internal IOs, analog, ADAT, IES, video, etc. Of course, the application takes care of the fact that you cannot connect video to audio, data to video, and so on. On the right side, you have the so-called desk items. The desk items are little units that command and control certain devices. Right here, it's an evaluation board that is controlled, and it shows its features, which are basically here 7 faders and a metering. If you switch to another device, for example, the brand new implemented R&D Mixtacy, you can see that the desk item is completely different. This is because this bitmap and its content has been now downloaded from the Mixtacy hardware, and it's shown in a framework browser application. That means any device can carry its own bitmap, and this bitmap and the metadata of this bitmap, so how it's going to be used within the framework, is being transported from the device to the browser. That means that if a new device enters the network, it will be right away editable by our framework because it contains its own doing. A user could take one of those devices and just drag and drop it down. As you see, we did that a lot already today at the show. And now these 2 faders would be connected and would run together. Now what a user can do is he can drag one fader of one device and another fader of the other device and the next button of the next device and build with drag and drop his own surface. And this own surface then would be his mixing desk for the network that he's using, he can save and he can load back into the system. The next step of that would be that the user wants to create his own surface because he says, oh, I'd like different color, I'd like different features, I'd like different functionality. For that, we have our UMAN skin editor. The skin editor works in a way that you can choose a certain component, for example, a fader or a label, and you can place this component, fader, label, button, whatsoever, somewhere on your screen. And that's going to be your so-called desk item, the one that we saw before. Now you can give this item certain features, let's say color, surface color, you can give it a certain text. Here we say it's a mute button. And when you're done, you can have a look how it looks. You can use it and you see how it's going to get red and it's green, so that's fine. You can move your fader and see how that feels. And when you're done with this, you say send it up to the device and this editor will generate XML code and a zip bitmap file and send it into the flash of the device. From now on, everybody who will hook up to this device will get this GUI. So in that case, this would be changed. To put it all in a nutshell, what I was showing you was our media network, our HD video capabilities, our audio capabilities, our command and control capabilities, and maybe in the very end I give you a few facts. So you can do up to 300 channels for audio, up to 15 channels of HD video in that quality, or up to 30 channels of HD video of a normal HD TV quality, running simultaneously and phase accurate on our network per subnet. And you can have as many subnets with this capability as you like. So you have, in fact, infinite possibilities to expand, even if you start small with a little box with our network.